In this video, I will show you how to create an alias in Gmail. If this video helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open up Gmail and select the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Under Settings, you will see a list of headings. Scroll until you find Accounts and Import. Scroll down until you see Send Mail As. Select Add Another Email Address. You can then select the name, so we can say John. You can enter the email address, john545@gmail.com. Select Next Step and Send Verification. And once you have verified this email, you can use this alias. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.